congratulations. We high as shit. We feeling really good right now.
Yep.
We want to set a video. And you know, I mean,
Talk to him.
it's a pleasure. It's just a pleasure to work with him. He just reminds me so much of Tunchi. So every time I see him, I'm always like, oh, my little baby, because he just gives me the little Tunchi vibe. And so because of that, I love him, and I love this fucking song. So yeah, shout out to our fans and all of that. And we're about to give you a killer video. All right.
Can I get some mix? Oh, okay. Wait, let me see. Are you even finished?